12 Tips for Nurturing Your Personal Freedom. There's a lot of pressure to conform to society's definition of success. Right from school, you hear that there is pretty much one path: a good job, a one-way upwards career trajectory, a family, big house, lots of money. But your personal freedom doesn't get mentioned, nor does inner peace. But you don't have to step too far outside your regular life to allow space for greater contentment and freedom from the anxieties and pressures of modern life. There are some key things you can do right now to nurture your personal freedom and achieve greater contentment with your life. 1. Let go of past hurts and sufferings, acknowledging what you've learned along the way. 2. Believe in your heart that you deserve love and good things in your life, and that you wish for these for the other people in your life. 3. Act kindly in your interactions with other people, whether it's friends, family, colleagues, or the person you walk past in the street. People will remember how you treated them long after they've forgotten your words. 4. Be kind to yourself and acknowledge that you mostly do the best you can, and when you do make a mistake, you learn from it and do better. 5. Acknowledge that you have control only over your actions and reactions. You can't control other people, but you can control how you respond to them. 6. Own your past mistakes, but do not let them define you. 7. Be at peace with change and accept that it is part of the ebb and flow of life. 8. Set goals to achieve what you want out of life, but be flexible and prepared to adapt to changing circumstances. 9. Don't compare your life to others, especially as they present themselves on social media. People always display their best sides and rarely acknowledge weakness or when things are going badly. 10. Choose to be compassionate. Most people are trying to do their best most of the time. 11. Be grateful for where you are and what you have right now. Don't get caught up in a dissatisfaction loop where the other guy's life looks better. Chances are you're already living an abundant life. 12. Learn to relax and allow things to be, rather than try to second guess all the time. Adopt the Buddhist philosophy of detachment. Breathe and let go of anxiety. Allow and trust that the universe will give you what you need.